Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the series of active and passive. Today the topic is future perfect passive. Present perfect passive we have done, past perfect passive we have done, and today we will study future perfect passive. Future perfect active sentences we will convert into future perfect passive. So let's start today's formula. That what does the formula say? Once again, the formula is same, just we have to change the helping verb. In present we use have been and has been. In past we use had been, and in future we use will have been. Third form will remain third form by personal pronoun and remaining part of sentence. So this is formula of future perfect passive. Let's start example number 1. They will have irrigated the field. They will have irrigated the field. This is active sentence. We will convert into passive. The field will have been irrigated by them. If we want to make the sentence into negative, so we will use not after will. Will के बाद हमने not लगा देना है अगर हम जुमला नेगेटिव में बनाना चाहें. They will not have irrigated the field. The field will not. Will के बाद not लगा देंगे, बाकी जुमला सेम रहेगा. The field will not have been irrigated by them. Now the next example is we will have learned a new lesson. A new lesson will have been learned by us. और अगर इसे हमने नेगेटिव में बनाना हो, we will not have learned a new lesson. और जब पैसिव बनाना हो, उस पे नेगेटिव बनाना हो, तो वहां पर भी will के बाद हमने not लगाना है. ये will not have हो जाएगा, यानी will not have been. A new lesson will not have been learned by us. तो कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगा इसमें. will के बाद आपने not लगा देना है और ये जुमला नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट. One more example. I will have finished the English book. The English book will have been finished by me. और अगर नेगेटिव एग्जाम्पल हो, the English book will not, will के बाद हमने not लगा देना. The English book will not have been finished by me. We will have done our work. Our work will have been done by us. So this is the topic of future perfect passive. She will have downloaded a new video. A new video will have been downloaded by her. Bilal will have informed me. I will have been informed by Bilal. She will have cleaned the room. The room will have been cleaned by her. We will have served the guests. The guests will have been served by us. I hope कि अब फ्यूचर परफेक्ट का जो टॉपिक है कि उसका पैसिव कैसे बनेगा, वो कॉन्सेप्ट अब क्लियर हो गया होगा. सी यू इंशाल्लाह इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम मजीद एक्टिव पैसिव के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि एक्टिव पैसिव और कहां हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. तो वीडियो देखना ना भूलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.